A beautiful day to all of you out there in internet land. My name is Lauren Starling, and I am the artist that helped create the Who's Your Hero wall in downtown Fargo. This mural was created in order to bring awareness to breast cancer, and the names that you see on the wall inside of the cape are the names of people who are currently battling, have survived, or have passed away due to breast cancer. If you are interested in putting your loved one's name on the wall, please go to realmenwearpink.acs.org/North Dakota and click on Brian Larry's name. The next name that I am putting on the wall is Deb Belch. Alright, and that one goes out to Deb. I hope you all enjoy and continue to follow me on the journey of me putting all the names on the wall. I'll talk to you later.